So here's one of those sets, Maxcom Apollo 16E, which you don't see many of. Before we start, we've had another little parcel from our mystery benefactor Alan. He sent a Kerno radio which will feature, I think we put it in box, something like box 35, so we're still on box 26, we've got quite a few to go. Thank you very much, Alan. I'm not going to say what model, and it's going to be a surprise when we start working on that. So we've got this has been quite a corker of a thought. I think somebody's transmitted up it off another set, and there's a lot happened. Let's put it on channel 31. Tango 21 test. Now we were on channel 40 yesterday. I wonder if he's remembered to change channel on the set in the car. So we'll just see if we'll just call him on this hand portable. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21.
Hello, I just said test, and I then went looking on channel 40 in case you were there, over.
Yeah, no, I had to come back to the house, I forgot something.
Oh, Roger, okay, fair enough. Right, my records have stopped making a racket in the ultrasonic cleaner, so you're about there, are you?
I'm just getting onto the hard stand.
Yeah, Roger, give me a shout when you're ready.
Roger.
Yeah, so quite a lot of things had to be done, and anyway, it's doing a full 4 watts. And I'm glad we didn't have to send it back not repaired, because you don't see many of these.
Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Excellent! That's our synchronisation cue. Right, so I haven't got a tone control.
Good.
Excellent. Now you see, this set's doing, this is what I keep saying about relative power meters. This was set on the test equipment to do 4 watts, but when I key up, you look, it says 3.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
But it doesn't mean it's only doing 3, it just means that's what the SWR affects the way it reads. Roger got you at the end of the line.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, unleaded 148.9, diesel 162.9.
Roger, got you going past Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round the Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Maxcom Apollo 16E and he's doing a full 4 watts 1982 radio. Over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger.
Raining out there.
Currently now it's a bit damp there. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So I'm on the Maxcom Apollo 16E from 1982. Incredibly, it's only drawing 845 milliamps for its full 4 watt output. We're going to switch it to low power. Low power on this set is adjustable and it's set to 400 milliwatts. So there we go on to low power, now drawing just 400 milliamps. 54321 and back to high power. And there we are back on high power, over.
Yep, that was all received very well. The band is quiet today.
Excellent.
Right, I'll be on my way.
Roger, Dodger.
Right, back on the road again.
Roger, got you back on the road.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, are you going over Rawsby level crossing?
Yep, 147.7 for the unleaded and 159.9 diesel.
Excellent. Well, that concludes the test, thank you. That worked very well.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
Yep, 147.7 for the unleaded and 159.9 for diesel.
Excellent. Well, that concludes the test, thank you. That worked very well.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Well, that's brilliant. So, wow. I'm really pleased that worked so well for him. So we don't see many of those. This was out of box 23A. We've stepped back about 3 weeks because we were on box 26. The next repair will be out of box 26. It will be radio number 6 out of the 8 in that box. So 6 of 8 out of box 26. So we'll be resuming with those, and let's go over to our base station, see what this sounds like on the standard coffin replacement microphone.
Tango 21, testing the Maxcom Apollo 16E on our standard replacement microphone, running at 4 watts into our Midland 76900 base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'll pop it onto low power. There we are at 400 milliwatts. We'll pop it back onto normal power. There we are back at 4 watts. So hope you enjoyed seeing a more unusual set, and thanks for watching.